Let's begin by taking a look at your Excel environment and some of the things you can do to set up your Excel environment to make working in Excel easier for you. Down at the bottom of the Excel window, you have the sheet tabs, which are each separate worksheets. They remind me of pages in a book. All the sheets together make up the workbook or spreadsheet. To the right is a zoom tool. You can zoom in and out by left clicking the slider and dragging it back and forth. You can also use the scroll bar above to scroll left and right in the worksheet. In this same area, you also have access to the Page Views tabs. By default, the normal view is selected, but you can change to page layout or page break view by left clicking either option. Let's just leave it as the default. At the top of the page, you have the ribbon, which is the new menu system that is arranged in tabs. On each tab, you'll find commands organized in groups. Above the ribbon, you'll see the Quick Access toolbar. One of the simplest things you can do to make accomplishing basic tasks faster is to customize the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar resides right next to the Microsoft Office button in all of the 2007 applications and allows you to reach commonly used commands quickly. By default, the Save, Undo, and Redo commands have already been added. To view the commands you can add, simply click the down arrow next to the Quick Access toolbar and the menu will appear. Let's see. Sort Ascending and Sort Descending are two commands that are used often in Excel depending on the type of spreadsheet you work with. To add the Sort Ascending command, just left click it to select it. And now we can see that it appears on the toolbar. As you can see, a check mark appeared beside Sort Ascending. This means it is selected and appears on the toolbar. To remove a command, just left click any command with the check mark, and it will no longer appear. See how easy it is to add and remove commands? I'm actually going to add the Sort Ascending and Sort Descending commands. I think I may need to use them when I start working with some of my spreadsheets. You can add more commands than the ones that appear on the drop-down list. Just select More Commands, and from the dialog box that appears, select the command you wish to add. Click the Add button, and then click OK. This gives you the ability to really customize Excel. While working with Excel, you may find that there are times that you want to work on your worksheet without the ribbon. Microsoft gives you the ability to minimize and maximize the ribbon. To minimize the ribbon, click the drop-down arrow next to the Quick Access toolbar. Select Minimize Ribbon from the list, and the ribbon disappears. Click the arrow again. You can see that a check mark appears next to Minimize the ribbon, which indicates this feature is toggled on. To maximize the ribbon, just select Minimize the ribbon to toggle the feature off, and the ribbon will appear. In addition to the Quick Access toolbar and the ribbon, the Microsoft Office button appears at the top of your window. When you left-click the button, you access a menu. From this menu, you can create a new document, open existing documents, save documents in a variety of ways, and print. You can also add security features, send the document, publish, and close the document. You can also click the Excel Options button to open a dialog box where you can make some changes to the default settings. In the Popular section, Show Many Toolbar is selected. This shows the information that appears when you hover over a command like this. If you're new to Excel, this information is helpful. If you're a power user, this may be more of an annoyance. You can turn this feature off here if you like. I'm actually going to leave this on. There are a lot of things you can change here. For instance, if you want 4 worksheets to appear by default, you can change that here. In the Formulas section, there are some more complicated settings. As you learn more about Excel and become proficient at using it, you may want to revisit these settings, but for now, we'll leave it as the default. Well, I'm pretty comfortable with the setup of my workbook, so now that I know where everything is, I think I'll get started.